Hey guys, it's Francis. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me in, well, I guess technically it's a Fauxbonichi is what they're calling it now. I haven't like set this up or anything. I haven't done anything fancy to it. I basically have left the sheets. If you watched the haul, I guess maybe it was like a couple videos ago that I did. I wanted to try the Fauxbonichi spreads on this. So I cut out some dot grid paper that I already had. Here, I have this back here. So this is a whole sheet of paper like that, and I just cut it down to size. I just cut it a little bit bigger than the regular note sheets. They're not that much longer. It's about 10.5 centimeters. So I did that, and then I realized afterwards maybe I should have went ahead and bought just the dot grid paper, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it on the blue. And I feel like it's perfect since this week is the 4th of July, so it's going to go with the theme and all that. I had already kind of like outlined the kind of like the template that I wanted to use. So I believe these are like 7 dots down. I don't know what the measurements are exactly. Me personally, I rather just count the actual dots than like measure it precisely, because I don't want my line to go over like in between dots, if that makes sense. So, but if you really want to know the measurement, it is 3 centimeters. Are these centimeters? Yeah, right? They have to be centimeters. Anyway, so I'm going to just use this as a template, and then I'm just going to copy that on here. And then, yeah, we'll see how this turns out. This is my first Fauxbonichi spread, so we're going to see how it comes out. Alright, so I traced out my lines, and if you're wondering why I did it in pencil, I was thinking about going over it with pen, but I figured this would be easier if I decided to put a sticker over one of these, and that way I can just erase so that the line, you can't see the line through it, if that makes sense. And then I also left a little, I don't really remember how it is in the actual Fauxbonichi, but I left some space down here just to keep it even, and I want to put washi down here, so I want to allow myself some space for that. So I wanted to stamp some numbers. I bought these stamps from Tuesday Morning by Illustrated Faith, but I don't know where they're at. So I'm going to attempt to look for them, and if I can't find them, we're going to have to think of something else. Of course, they were right in front of my face, but these are the stamps that I bought at Tuesday Morning. I have a haul on that. If you guys want to check it out, I will leave it linked down below or in the card somewhere. So they might be I mean, it looks like they might be just right, but if I want to put washi over it, it might be too big. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and stamp it anyway, and then if I can't put washi over it, I'll go ahead and just outline them with a pen. And I think I want to do a red ink. I don't know how this is gonna work out. I don't know how this is gonna look. Oops. But these are from Hobby Lobby, by the way. I don't know if that's gonna be too much red, white, and blue, but we'll see. Alright, so I finished stamping. As you guys saw, it was low-key the struggle. I went back and tried restamping these two because they weren't dark enough. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I struggle so hard with stamping, but I'm gonna leave it like that and just hope that the rest of the spread makes it come together. I did remember that I had this storyline packet by Heidi Swap. I got this from Joann's, I believe. It was on clearance for $3.47, and they have this, how do I open this? You know what, I'm sure I have one open like this already, but I don't feel like looking for it, so we're just going to use these. They have these days of the week, and I should have thought about this before and put them on before I put the numbers like that, and then put the number, but I was not thinking. So I'm thinking I'm going to put them after the numbers and hope that it looks okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put those on, and then we'll see how it looks. If I hate it, I'll take it off, but I'm going to try it anyway. Alright, I was trying to put the numbers up here, but I did not like the way that looked, so I ended up taking them off and just put July, since you can clearly tell by the numbers down here. And then I wanted to find some washi for this. I have some star washi, but it's probably going to be too big, so I think I'm just going to go with gold and hope that it looks okay. And I think this one is probably going to fit like perfectly on here, hopefully. Alright, you guys, that is it for this week's spread. I actually really like the way it turned out. I thought I was not going to like these. At first I didn't like it, but I think now that everything is on the page, I think it looks okay. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more of these, or let me know if you want me to make more of these, and I will definitely continue to do that. I wanted to show you guys real quick the sticker books that I use because I don't think I mentioned those. So this sticker book is by American Crafts. I actually purchased this at Tuesday Morning for $6.99, but I believe they sell these at, I think they sell them at AC Moore too. So you can try checking out your Tuesday Morning or your AC Moore. And then I used this Happy Planner sticker book. This is the Bright sticker book. I really love this sticker book. I always forget to use it, but I love the bright colors in it. So those were the two main sticker books I used, and then of course the Heidi Swap stickers that I showed you guys earlier. But yeah, that is it for this week's Plan With Me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!